Hey guys, welcome back once again. As you can see a program on your screen, you have to find error or output of this program. So start guessing. Your time start now. Okay guys, time up. Now I have to guess what is the value of z. So let me execute this program. So as you can see, the value of z is 5. So let's understand what and how these things are happening. So let me remove this one. So as you can see here, x1 value of x is 1 and y is 0. Okay, so this is basically a logical AND operator. So when the logical AND operator we are using, when the one value is true, then only it will go to next condition. So in this case, this is 1, so it's true. Let's move to the next y. What is the value of y? It's 0. 0 means false. That means it will not go to next condition anymore, because condition got false here itself. So the command will stop here and it will not go to the next remaining part of the line, and it will print here z value as a 5 here. Okay, I think you got it. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. See you in next video.